Hi everyone! I got this beautiful collection of books. Those books are awesome, guys. Let me show it to you and maybe we'll open them together right now. Come on. Here they are. It's about cats warriors. And I got this collection, as you can see, and there is 6 books, and I read a lot, and I keep reading these books because they absolutely awesome, guys. Those are the best. So okay, let's open them. Let's see what else. Okay. Oh, there's adventure game inside. Okay. These books are still packed and still in a plastic, and we're going to open them together right now. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. I love these books. Here. Okay. First book is, no, this is number 6. Let's start with the first one. Okay. This is the first one. And second, and third, and number 4. Number 5. And number 6. Okay, those are the books that I bought today. This is some of the books that I bought, and I'm gonna buy even more real soon. And I'm just going to start reading them. I love those books, guys. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and subscribe and leave your comments, and see you guys. Bye.